Hello students and welcome to English Tutorials MacVision Average World School. Today we are going to discuss the fifth kind of formal letter, that is complaint against defective goods. So you already know that there are two kinds of letters. What are those? Formal letters and informal letters. We were discussing the kinds of formal letters. Today we will discuss the fifth kind of formal letter, that is how to make a complaint against defective goods. So let's look at the format first. The format remains the same. Sender's address. After leaving a line, date, and date should be written in British format. और British format क्या होता है? Date, month, year. And what is the American format? Month, date, comma, year. Okay, so we usually follow the British format. हम ये वाला जो है British format इसको follow करते हैं. So if suppose the date is 24 April 2020, so we'll follow the British format, that is the first format that I've written here. So you have to follow that. After leaving another line, receiver's address, the one who's receiving the letter, uska address. After leaving another line, subject. Subject means the purpose of writing the letter. Why are you writing the letter? After leaving another line, salutation, sir, ma'am, dear sir, dear ma'am. In the next line, content. So you write a paragraph or two for the content. After leaving another line, thanking you. After leaving a line, yours faithfully. Now yours faithfully में you will not put an apostrophe anywhere. Your apostrophe s ऐसे भी नहीं लिखते हैं. Yours apostrophe no. You just write yours faithfully without an apostrophe. After a line, name, and after that designation, and above name, signature. Okay, and whose name and designation are we talking about? Name and designation of the sender, the one who is writing the letter, the one who is sending the letter. Okay, so I'll just explain a sample letter to you. You are Somil or Shikha living at 44 Bansi Garden, Jodhpur. So what is your address? This is the address of the sender's address. 44 Bansi Garden, Jodhpur. This is the sender's address. Last summer, you bought a Sing-Sung LED television from MS Rajput Electronics, Sikandari Bazaar, Jodhpur. So this is the receiver's address, Rajput Electronics, Sikandari Bazaar, Jodhpur. The product was delivered with warranty of 2 years. कितने year warranty थी? 2 years. Now you discover that the picture gets blurred every now and then. So now you discover that the picture gets blurred. धुंधली हो जाती है picture बहुत frequently. Even the sound had become defective. So उसकी sound भी अच्छे से नहीं आ रही होती है, sound भी defective हो गई है. Write a letter to the dealer complaining about the problem. You have to mention your problem and requesting him to get the defect rectified. And you have to request him to get the solution to the problem, to get the problem rectified, the defect rectified. उसको ठीक कराना है आपको. Your instrument, your LED television. Okay. Also request him to replace it if needed against the warranty that goes with it. So as you have a 2-year warranty with the LED television, so you also have to request this person whom you are writing the letter, उसको request भी करना है कि अगर if you are not able to rectify the problem, अगर problem ठीक नहीं होगी तो you'll have to replace it. तो आप हमारा product replace करेंगे. So let's begin with the letter. First of all, sender's address 44 Bansi Garden. Next line, Jodhpur. After leaving a line, date in British format. After leaving another line, MS Rajput Electronics, Sikandari Bazaar, Jodhpur. This is the receiver's address. After leaving a line, subject repair or replacement of defective LED television set. So you either want the television set to be repaired or replaced. या तो आप रिपेयर कराएंगे, उसको ठीक कराएंगे, अगर वो ठीक नहीं होता तो यू वांट अ रिप्लेसमेंट, आपको एक रिप्लेसमेंट चाहिए कि इसकी जगह मुझे दूसरा टेलीविजन सेट दो. So repair or replacement of the defective LED television set. After leaving another line, salutation, sir. In the next line, you'll start with the content. Last summer, I bought a Sing-Sung LED television from your shop. Last summers में मैंने एक Sing-Sung LED television लिया था आपकी शॉप से. The TV was delivered along with the warranty of 2 years. So television के साथ क्या आई थी? एक warranty आई थी of 2 years. Now, after about 10 months of the purchase, the TV is not working properly. So after 10 months of purchase, 10 महीने बाद अब टीवी अच्छे से वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. द पिक्चर क्वालिटी इज वेरी पुअर. द पिक्चर गेट्स ब्लर्ड एवरी नाउ एंड देन. पिक्चर क्वालिटी बहुत ही खराब है, वो एकदम धुंधला हो जाता है बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली. द साउंड ऑफ द टीवी सेट इज ऑल्सो डिफेक्टिव. और जो उसकी साउंड है दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट गुड. सो दैट वो भी खराब हो गई है. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू सेंड योर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव भेज दीजिए, कोई भी इंसान, कोई भी वर्कर भेज दीजिए. ईदर टू रिपेयर इट, या तो उसको रिपेयर कर दे या फिर उसको रिप्लेस कर दे विद अ न्यू वन. ओके, सो ईदर टू रिपेयर द टेलीविजन, या तो वो टेलीविजन को ठीक कर दे या फिर उसकी जगह दूसरा टेलीविजन लगा जाए. आई होप यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू माई कंप्लेंट ऑन प्रायोरिटी बेसिस. I hope that you will respond to my complaint very soon on priority basis. So, hope आप मेरे complaint को priority लेके you will reply me as soon as possible. So here, the important thing to be noticed is that each and every problem mentioned in the question is being covered in the letter. लेटर में जितने भी पॉइंट्स क्वेश्चन में मेंशन्ड है वो सब कवर होने चाहिए. ऑल द पॉइंट्स शुड बी कवर्ड वेरी प्रॉपरली. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, व्हेन यू राइट अ लेटर यू नीड टू बी वेरी कर्टियस एंड पोलाइट. बहुत पोलाइट वे में आपको बोलना होता है. इट शुड नॉट अपीयर दैट यू आर टॉकिंग रूडली टू द पर्सन यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर. ओके, सो इट शुड बी वेरी वेरी पोलाइट एंड कर्टियस. ओके, so these are two important things to be kept in mind here in this letter. After leaving a line, thanking you. After leaving another line, yours faithfully. After leaving a line, Shikha, and above that line, signature. So that's all about this letter. Hope you have understood this. Thank you so much, children.